Whoa, I want to know where I can go when you're not around, and I'm feeling down. So won't you stay for a moment so I can say I need you so, 'cause right now you know that nothing here's new, and I'm obsessed with you. Then I fell to the ground and she smiled at me and said, I don't wanna see you cry. You don't have to feel this emptiness. She said, I love you till the day that I die. Well, maybe she's right, 'cause I don't wanna feel like I'm not me. And to be honest, I don't even know why I let myself get down in the first place. Seen through my eyes. You know you need to get yourself to sleep and dream a dream of you and I. There's no need to keep an open eye. I promise I'm the one for you. Just let me hold you in these arms tonight. I'm lucky to be me, you can see it in my face. Back when I fucked my shit up too many times, why would I let myself get down in the first place? Keep my days. Sunflowers still move at night. Waiting for a minute till the sun seems through my eyes. Take it down, 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 down. Take it down, no, 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 no. Waiting for a minute till the sun seems through my eyes. And so she sat me down and told me that I didn't have to cry. Said I didn't need to get down or feel empty inside. And then told me that she'll love me for as long as she's alive. And well, maybe she's right, 'cause I hate it when I feel like I'm not me. See, I honestly don't even know why. I honestly don't even know why.
Straciłam mój własny głos wobec prostych prawd. A nie miałem tego śpiewać jeszcze raz. Straciłem swój własny głos podczas tworzenia warstw. Przybity niechęcią do ludzkich warstw. Zegary cofają się wciąż do starych warstw. Boleśnie przemijam je od tak. To cały ja! To ja! Królem Państwa.